Budget-friendly travel guide to Spain, uncover hidden gems and expert tips. Planning your budget trip to Spain requires thoughtful consideration to ensure a memorable experience without overspending. Start by defining your budget, prioritizing activities and locations that are a must-see, and researching cost-saving options like city passes or discounted attraction tickets. Visiting Spain during the off-peak seasons of spring and fall can significantly reduce your expenses. Not only are flight and accommodation prices lower, but you'll also enjoy fewer crowds at popular tourist sites, making for a more pleasant travel experience. Finding affordable flights to Spain is easier than ever with the use of flight comparison websites and setting alerts for price drops. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying midweek or into less popular airports to snag the best deals. For budget accommodations, explore a range of options from hostels to budget hotels. Many offer free breakfast and Wi-Fi, helping you save on daily expenses. Consider accommodations slightly outside the city center for even better rates, with public transport easily bridging the distance. Leveraging Spain's extensive public transport system is a cost-effective way to explore. Invest in a travel card for unlimited rides within a set period, and don't shy away from using regional trains or buses to venture between cities and towns affordably. Eating on a budget in Spain doesn't mean skimping on flavor. Tapas bars offer a chance to sample a variety of dishes without a hefty price tag. Look for Menú del Día options in local restaurants for a full meal at a fraction of the cost. Spain's free attractions offer a wealth of experiences without the need for tickets. Many museums have free entry days or hours. Exploring the country's parks, like the Buen Retiro Park in Madrid, and historical sites can be entirely cost-free, enriching your travel without draining your wallet. Walking tours provide an immersive way to discover Spain's rich culture at no cost. Local guides often operate on a tips-only basis, offering insights into the history and hidden gems of cities. It's a great way to learn the stories behind the stunning architecture and vibrant streets. Market shopping in Spain is not only budget-friendly, but also a dive into local life. Markets like Barcelona's La Boqueria offer fresh produce, meats, and cheeses at lower prices than supermarkets. It's also the perfect place to pick up unique souvenirs, like handmade crafts, without overspending. Affordable beach destinations in Spain let you enjoy the sun and sea without the luxury price tag. Areas like Costa de Almería and Costa Dorada are known for their beautiful beaches and lower cost of living, making them ideal for budget-conscious travelers seeking coastal relaxation. Discovering Spain's lesser-known cities offers a treasure trove of experiences without the hefty price tag of more famous destinations. Venture into places like Cáceres or Ronda to immerse in authentic Spanish culture, enjoy local cuisine at lower prices, and explore historic sites with fewer crowds. Budget nightlife in Spain doesn't mean missing out on the fun. Cities like Valencia and Seville offer vibrant scenes with affordable tapas bars and street fiestas. Look for local pubs with live music, or join a pub crawl to enjoy the fiesta economically. A well-planned daily budget is crucial for enjoying Spain affordably. Allocate funds for meals, attractions, and transport. Opt for combo meals at local eateries, take advantage of free museum days, and use multi-ride transit tickets to stretch your euros further. Saving on sightseeing in Spain is possible with city passes and combo tickets. These can offer significant discounts on top attractions, including priority access to skip the lines. Research pass options for cities like Barcelona and Madrid to maximize your sightseeing savings. Packing essentials for a budget trip to Spain should include comfortable walking shoes, a reusable water bottle, and light layers for varying temperatures. Also, pack a power bank and download offline maps and translation apps to navigate and communicate efficiently without incurring extra costs. Staying connected in Spain doesn't have to cost a fortune. Opt for an affordable SIM card or mobile data plan from local providers like Movistar, Vodafone, or Orange. These offer various packages tailored to short-term visitors, ensuring you're always online without overspending. When choosing where to stay, consider budget-friendly areas that are still within reach of major attractions. Cities like Madrid, Barcelona, and Seville have neighborhoods known for being both safe and affordable. Researching and booking in advance can secure you the best deals. Negotiating prices can be part of the Spanish shopping experience, especially in markets. However, it's important to do so respectfully. Start by expressing genuine interest in the item, then suggest a slightly lower price. Remember, not all items are negotiable, so read the situation accordingly. Opting for budget travel insurance for your trip to Spain is a wise decision. Look for policies that cover essentials like medical expenses, theft, and trip cancellations. Comparing options online can help you find a comprehensive yet affordable plan, providing peace of mind during your travels. Spain's refillable water stations are a boon for budget travelers. They're found in many public areas, offering you a way to stay hydrated for free. Carrying a reusable water bottle not only saves money, but also supports environmental conservation efforts as you explore. Volunteer opportunities in Spain offer a unique way to immerse yourself in the local culture while keeping your travel costs low. Look for programs in teaching, conservation, or hospitality that provide room and board in exchange for your help. Couchsurfing and home exchanges are fantastic ways to save on accommodation in Spain. These platforms allow you to stay with locals or swap homes with someone, giving you a more authentic experience and insider tips on the best budget-friendly spots. Tourist traps can quickly drain your budget with overpriced services and goods. To avoid them, research and follow locals' recommendations. Eating where Spaniards eat and shopping where they shop will lead to better deals and more genuine experiences. Learning basic Spanish phrases not only enriches your travel experience, but can also save you money. Being able to communicate even minimally can help you negotiate prices, find local deals, and navigate public transportation more effectively. Exploring Spain's natural wonders is a breathtaking and cost-effective way to see the country. Many of Spain's parks, hiking trails, and beaches are free to access, offering endless opportunities for adventure without the need for expensive tours or activities. Solo budget travelers in Spain can amplify their experience and savings by leveraging hostel dorms for affordable lodging and socializing. Engaging with fellow travelers can lead to shared tips on local deals, communal meals, and even splitting costs on shared experiences. Embracing Spanish festivals is a fantastic way to immerse oneself in the rich cultural tapestry of the country without straining your wallet. Plan to visit during local celebrations. These often free events can offer entertainment, art, and cuisine at minimal to no cost. Effective money management while traveling in Spain can make a significant difference in a budget traveler's experience. Opt for using local ATMs for cash withdrawals and consider a travel card with low foreign transaction fees to avoid unnecessary expenses. Exploring Spain by bike not only offers an affordable way to see the country's breathtaking landscapes and quaint villages, but also provides a unique perspective on its culture. Many cities offer bike rental services at reasonable rates, making it easy to embark on a two-wheeled adventure. Reflect on your budget Spain trip by creating a digital journal or blog instead of purchasing souvenirs. Documenting your experiences through photos and stories allows you to preserve memories without the need for physical items, saving both money and suitcase space. I hope you enjoyed our video. In the comments, please let us know if you have ever been to Spain or if you have any budget tips to share. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Ventures. Happy travels. See you in the next video.